Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a British passport. This process is the same for adult and child application. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe for more videos like this. To apply, go to the official UK government passport application website. You can search Apply British Passport on Google and open the welcome to gov.uk. So click Apply Now to start. So standard processing usually takes up to 3 weeks, but it can vary depending on how many applications HM Passport Office is handling. You can check the current processing time online and you can track your application anytime using the tracking link after you submit. You can apply online or by post, but online is cheaper and more common. If you're applying for a child, make sure you enter the child's details, not the details of the person filling out the form. So the form will ask if you live in the UK, your date of birth, and if you already have a British passport. If you're renewing, select yes, then choose standard or fast track. So fast track costs more but can be processed in about 1 week. So it's useful if you need to travel soon. Next, you'll follow the main steps. Upload a digital photo, enter the applicant's details, check what documents to send, pay, confirm identity, and track the application. So for the photo, you can use a photo booth or photo service and enter the digital code or upload the photo manually. Make sure it follows the photo rules and is taken within the last 6 months. So if the applicant has a naturalization certificate, fill in the details carefully. The place of birth and certificate info must match the certificate exactly, especially the certificate number and date of issue. So mistakes here can lead to rejections. So for child applications, you also need the parents or guardians details, including nationality and citizenship. So after that, enter the home address and contact details carefully because your passport and supporting documents will be sent there. You'll then choose the passport size, 35 pages or 54 pages for frequent travelers. Review everything before paying, and because the fee is non-refundable once paid. After the payment, you'll add your referees and then they will get an email to confirm the applicant's identity. Referees must meet the rules, have a British passport, and cannot be related to the applicant. You also need to send supporting documents like naturalization certificate and any previous passports using free post or secure post. So once submitted, you'll get a confirmation email and then you can track the application until it's complete. So thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.